Mostly all of the moves that you can do in breaking as far as power come from balance. Balance is very important. So doing a headstand like this is very important if you're going to do anything like head spins or drills or even transitions up to your head like you see here. So we're going to start out with a tripod, which is basically where I'm making a triangle between my head and my two hands, as you can see here. Now I'm just putting my knees on my elbows. You can see right here, left and then right, and I balance like that. So from another angle, I'll show you right here. And something you cannot really tell too much from that angle is, as you can see right here, my hands are in front of my head. Very important. The positioning of your hands is very, very important for your balance. So I'm going to get in this tripod position and just hold it and try balancing like that until you can hold it without moving or wobbling. Okay, because it's going to take some practice before you can lift your legs up and just balance like this. And when you can, you're going to split and move your legs around, get your balance to prepare for doing head spins.